background. Take your coat off.
You know all about me, I don't know about you. You need somebody to lead, I be on my own too. You talking all that shit, but what you really gon' do? While I'm posted in the background, chillin' so cool. You know all about me, I don't know about you. You need somebody to lead, I be on my own too. You talking all that shit, but what you really gon' do? While I'm posted in the background, chillin' so cool. As time goes by, you find yourself swaying side to side. Turn the music up high in the ride and drive. You see me,
Hey,
I'm cool. Good music put you in that mood. She sings my tunes and I'm fly high.
Hey, they say I'm magnificent and I rap different than dudes who say they livin' and spittin' out bad sentences. Getting high, see the sky and where my limit is. I'm the shit, bitch, come and get a whiff of this. Malls around my neck and some bees on my wrist. Got a girl back at the cribby just to clean off my dick when I piss. But not really, that was just a joke. Who you think I am, Diddy? She looking in the mirror, double checking if she pretty. But I just see that ass and them titties. She thinks she got class, that's kinda silly. She be letting dudes hit it like their names was Ken Griffey. I don't mean to joke around cause music is my job. But what's a fucking job where you don't get no days off? Well that would be this music shit. My team I make maneuvers with. Be traveling all around the world, still here getting used to it. This karate school, bitch, you'll get super kicked. While I chill, relax, and take these Buddha hits. Fuck it and I move that bitch, it's so ludicrous. Making money now, they blame it on my Jewishness. Stupid bitch.
I'm using music to get inside of your pubic strip. Damn bitch, you stupid thick. I'm too equipped with my lyrics and metaphors. Measure chords like I'm on my 92 Grand Pooba shit. Hooba Smith to tell a bitch slow down. Most frown when I choose to spit. Fuck a no lube and shit. You could use your spit, either that or choose to get all up on this metaphor skin, no Jewish dick. You was quick to write him off, now you love it. You was hating when in public, all alone, you like dudes the shit. You was scheming, I was chilling by the pool with chicks, no dick. If the pussy smell like a school of fish, a clam chowder with Mac powder, I back at her. If it smell nice, then I blow the fucking back out her. I get that bitch the news like Matt Lauer. That's from now to my last hour.
As time goes by, you find yourself swaying side to side. Turn the music up high in the ride and drive. You see me, I'm cool. Good music put you in that mood. She sings my tunes and thinks I'm fly high.